convenient thing with Go board is that unlike Weedy or Schluter, Curdy, you don't have to use washers or anything like that. Just standard Hardy backer screws, and you just make sure you waterproof them with waterproof membrane, mortar. There's lots of options. We like to use Red Guard with fiber tape. Now I'm cutting out a hole here for the niche. As you can see, it's super easy to cut this stuff rather than using a grinder, working with cement board. You can do it right here in the bathroom. And if your studs are out of plumb, you can always use these drywall shims, furring strips, whatever you want to call them, to level out. You can also use a multi-tool to cut out for a tub spout, valve, and shower arm. So again, we like to fiber tape the seams, penetrations, and apply Red Guard or any kind of waterproofing membrane will work. Again, we like to use Red Guard. You can use any waterproofing membrane, but buy a few of these throwaway brushes. Make sure to obviously stir it up a little bit. It's been sitting for some time, and apply the Red Guard on all seams and penetrations.